I am Madhusudhan Gowda, Deputy General Manager, Plant Engineering. We started our journey with EcoSoch in the year 2024 on our rooftop solar system. They have done excellent job, hassle-free solar system. We have 1 megawatt power generation at our facility. We are planning to do across all our plants. We have 11 plants across India. All the team members are doing their excellent job. Whenever we call them for any service, any support, they will be available on the spot immediately, and that is giving very good result here. The solar system, not only rooftop, we are renewable energy of 99% at our premises. We have open access. Our consumption of electricity is 10 lakh units at our premises, out of which 1 lakh is from the rooftop solar. That comes around 1 megawatt, and remaining 9 lakhs we have open access and group captive, which we are buying from Green Shoot. So we have award and reward from the HMI considering our performance on renewable energy. I am really proud of this team and their performance, their service and their support. Thank you.